Hey guys and welcome back to another video. तो अगर आप एक foodie हो, this video is a must watch for you. Now we Indians are known all over the world for two things, our culture and food. The fact that our Indian cuisine is so diverse in nature because of our diversity is so amazing. Indian cuisine has evolved in its 8,000 year history. Now, as you know, in our history, there have been many invaders who invaded India, and because of this, there also has been a lot of Western influence in our Indian cuisine. But क्या आपको पता है कि कई ऐसे foods हैं जो Indian तो कहलाते हैं, but Indian है ही नहीं? Means these foods have originated from another country. Are you excited for this? So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Biryani. Kolkata, Lucknowi, Hyderabadi, Mughlai, etc. There are more than 30 different types of biryani available in India. ऐसा कोई भी भारतीय नहीं होगा जिसे बिरयानी ना पसंद हो. But you know what? This dish is not Indian at all because it actually originated from Persia. The word biryani is derived from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. There are many stories of how this dish actually came to India. Some say that it was brought to India by the Mughals. The most famous story is that of Mumtaz Mahal. कहा जाता है कि एक दिन मुमताज़ महल ने अपने मुगल आर्मी कैंप को विजिट किया और उसको ऐसा लगा कि the soldiers are very undernourished. So she requested the chef to make and prepare a dish with meat, rice and spices as to provide the soldiers with a balanced diet. एक और कहानी बताती है कि तुर्क मंगोल बादशाह तैमूर ने 1398 में ये डिश भारत में लाई थी. Second, filter coffee. We South Indians cannot start our day without filter coffee or filter coffee. And there's a very interesting story of how this filter coffee actually came to India. It actually originated in Yemen and it traveled to Karnataka in the 17th century, and from there it spread all across India. Baba Budan नामक एक सूफी संत थे who lived in Chikmagalur, which is in Karnataka. एक दिन वो हज पे गए थे मक्का. उस ज़माने में it was illegal for people to export coffee beans outside the Arabian Peninsula because the traders wanted to maintain their monopoly. तो बाबा बुदान ने 7 कॉफ़ी बीन्स अपने दाढ़ी में छुपा के इंडिया में लाया and he planted them in the Chandragiri hills. Now this is how the coffee production began in India. Now by the 19th and 20th century, coffee started being exported around the surrounding states of Karnataka like Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. Hence making it popular in the south. समोसा. बारिश में चाय और समोसा, वाह क्या कॉम्बिनेशन है ना? This famous Indian chai time snack originated in the Middle East and it was also called as sambusak or sambosa. ना तभी के समोसे की फिलिंग जो है ना वो आज के समोसे जैसी नहीं थी, वो बिल्कुल अलग थी. Back then, as a samosa ka filling, people used meats, they used nuts, spices, and it was served as a royal meal in the courts of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Now we Indians adopted this amazing delicious snack and we made it our own by filling in mashed potatoes. Did you know in today's date there are more than 20 types of samosas which are found all across India? Idli. You go to a South Indian restaurant, what's the first thing you order? Of course, idli, right? Now, as a kid, being a South Indian, idli was made almost every single day in our house, only to realize that idli is not an Indian dish at all. Idli originated in Indonesia and it came to India around 800 to 1200 CE. Though Indonesia we know now was once ruled by Hindu kings of the Sanjaya, Isayana and Shailendra dynasties. जब ये राजा इंडिया आए तो उन्होंने उनके साथ अपने शेफ्स भी लाए थे, because of which we got this amazing fermented delicious delicacy. शुक्तो. शुक्तो बंगाली cuisine के बहुत ही पॉपुलर वेजिटेबल डिशेस में से एक है. Now, in the 16th century, when the Portuguese settled in Bengal, they were very interested in the local cuisine and the Bengali cooking techniques. So they used both these elements to make a dish which was similar to shukto. Now, later on, the locals added their own twist to the dish by adding mustard oil and panch foron, which are the 5 spices in which they used to give tadka, which are namely sauf, methi, kala jeera, rai, and a typical Bengali spice radhuni. दाल चावल शॉक्ड हुए? हाँ, मैं भी शॉक्ड हुई जब मुझे ये पता चला कि दाल चावल इंडियन डिश है ही नहीं. Now, dal chawal is made in every Indian home almost every single day. It's one of our staple foods and full of nutrition. But this dish actually originated in Nepal. नेपाल में लोग इस डिश को दाल भात कहते हैं and they love this dish just like we Indians. और इस डिश को ऑलमोस्ट रोज ही खाते हैं. गुलाब जामुन मेन कोर्स तो हो गया, अब आते हैं मीठे पे. शादी हो या बर्थडे पार्टी, गुलाब जामुन के बिना हर फंक्शन अधूरा रहता है. This mouth-watering sweet originated from Persia. The name gulab are coined from the Persian words gul meaning flower and ab meaning water. Jamun is derived from the color and shape of the Indian black plum. Initially, this was cooked in a rose-scented syrup. This dish was brought to India by the Mughals and is similar to the Mughal dish Luqmat al-Qadi. एक थियोरी ये कहती है कि शाहजहां के पर्सनल शेफ ने ये डिश इन्वेंट किया था. बट ये डिश कहाँ से भी आई हो, it is very yummy. जलेबी. Are you sad that 2 of our most favorite Indian sweets are not even Indian? Yeah, me too. This dish dates back to the 10th century and is mentioned in the cookbooks of 2 countries of Persia and Middle East. However, उनके जलेबी कुछ अलग तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं. This dish is made during the Persian New Year and it's called zulbiya. It's a little different from our Indian jalebi though, as it has a floral coin pattern which is asymmetric. एक और बात है कि हमारे इंडिया में चाशनी या शुगर सिरप का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है to make jalebis, but in the Middle East people used honey and rose water instead of sugar syrup. तो गाइज दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. क्या आपको वीडियो पसंद आया? अगर आया तो नीचे यूट्यूब के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताना कि विच डिश यू फाउंड मोस्ट सरप्राइजिंग. प्लीज़ लेट्स एम टू गिव दिस वीडियो एटलीस्ट 30 कमेंट्स. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ शेयर इट विद एटलीस्ट 1 पर्सन. और भी कर सकते हो, आई डोंट माइंड एट ऑल, बट एटलीस्ट शेयर इट विद 1 पर्सन. और एक और बात, अगर आपको पार्ट 2 चाहिए इस वीडियो का, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो अगेन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन और मैं पार्ट 2 भी बनाऊंगी. और अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ टेक अ मिनट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस. इट विल मीन अ लॉट. आपका सपोर्ट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक विद अ ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय.